Clemson University Public Service and Agriculture provides unbiased, research-based information and education to improve the state's economy, environment, and quality of life. With offices in all 46 counties of South Carolina, the Cooperative Extension Service brings that university knowledge directly to South Carolina residents and promotes youth development through the South Carolina 4-H program. PSA also operates agriculture research stations in Clemson, Charleston, Florence, Columbia, Georgetown, and Blackville, each strategically located in the state's distinct soil and climate regions. Scientists at these centers conduct cutting-edge research on crop production and performance, growing techniques, pest control, forest management, plant genetics, precision technology, and much more. Collectively, these RECs are known as the Clemson Experiment Station, and each REC holds workshops and field days to share research results with the citizens of South Carolina. In addition to Clemson's Experiment Station, Clemson PSA protects the environment with its Regulatory Services Department and the health of the state's livestock industry through its Livestock Poultry Health Division. Clemson Livestock Poultry Health works to protect animal health throughout South Carolina, as well as assure consumers have properly labeled safe meat and poultry produced at South Carolina facilities. A state agency, LPH, houses the state's Veterinary Diagnostics Center and coordinates the state agricultural animal emergency response efforts. Clemson University Regulatory Services is a state agency charged with safeguarding South Carolina's crops, forests, and landscape plants by protecting the environment from exotic and invasive species, overseeing the safe use of pesticides, regulating the structural pest control industry, and verifying that fertilizer and lime meet standards and labeled guarantees. The Simpson Research and Education Center is a diverse collection of research farms located near the main campus, including Calhoun Fields, LeMaster Dairy Cattle Center, Morgan Poultry Center, Musser Fruit Farm, Simpson Beef Cattle Farm, and the Starkey Swine Center. The Simpson REC provides real-world experiences for veterinary sciences students and operates an annual bull test to evaluate bull genetics for producers across the Southeast. The Sandhill Research and Education Center in Columbia is home to a weekly farmers market and is the site of the annual Sparkleberry County Fair. Sandhill is also bustling with agriculture, forestry, water, and environmental research, and is home to a growing agribiz extension program that is shepherding in a new generation of agricultural entrepreneurs and helping farmers increase profitability. The Edisto Research and Education Center in Blackville is home to PSA's growing precision agriculture program that utilizes new technologies like unmanned aerial vehicles, sensors, and GPS equipment to make farming more efficient, profitable, and environmentally friendly, with a particular focus on reducing agricultural use of water, pesticides, and fertilizer. The center also offers cutting-edge research on weed and pest management, crop production and horticulture, and conducts an annual bull test to evaluate the genetics of bulls on grass diets. The PD Research and Education Center is home to the university's expanding Advanced Plant Technology program, an interdisciplinary team of scientists using the latest technologies in genetics, genomics, bioinformatics, computational biology, and robotics to develop new, higher-yielding crop varieties with improved resistance to drought, disease, and pests. The PD REC also conducts research on bioenergy, crop and vegetable production, forestry management, soil health, and organics. The Coastal Research and Education Center in Charleston has become well known for its restoration of heirloom crops that have caught the attention of nearby culinary artists. Coastal REC scientists collaborate closely with researchers at the U.S. Department of Agriculture's adjacent U.S. Vegetable Laboratory building, evaluating crop genetics, grafting technologies, novel growing techniques, conventional and organic pest management, and much more. Scientists at the Bell W. Baruch Institute of Coastal Ecology and Forest Science in Georgetown study the environmental impact of changing land use patterns, coastal nature resource conservation, forestry, water quality, and watershed management. The research provides information to help public policy decision makers manage growth so the state's coastal environment can be preserved for future generations. Clemson PSA is the research and development arm of the state's bustling $41.7 billion agriculture and forestry industry. Our work not only helps South Carolinians prosper, but it is also the embodiment of Clemson University's land-grant mission and founder Thomas Green Clemson's vision of an institution of higher learning that would benefit all of the citizens of South Carolina.